YouTube. I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. Today's video is my monthly subscription, which is the Boxycharm. Everyone got theirs really early, and so did I, so it's like bonus. I got this like 2 days ago, but like I was so busy. But yeah, I got it 2 days ago, but I was at work, so it's the only time that I'll upload this. So the theme for this month is Boxy Bash. And this is like the, I guess like their birthday anniversary. And this is all the goodies in the back and the prices. So I didn't really look at it. So we'll just see what's inside.
So the first one is the Cover FX Blushing Primer. And this one was $30. So that is pretty good. Pretty good for a good amount. And then the next one is the Matte Lip Gloss. I'm not sure if I like this one. This one was like $10. I think I might put this as a giveaway. I'm not really going to use it. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to put it as a giveaway for you guys. So, and the next one is the Pretty Vulgar Gel Liner. So, this was $38. That's a pretty big bottle. I like how there's like a detailing of the feather here, the writing, and like that. And I got some few brushes right here, which are these. I'm not really gonna use these, to be honest with you guys. I'm not really a big fan of it. I don't know. This is the Aesthetica brush. I don't know. I might use it. I don't know. This is the $45 brush, 3-piece eye trio. So this is the code for the Cover FX. And then that's the Pure one. So that's like the 15% off. And then 20% off. So that's pretty cool. So it looks like that. So as you guys can see, it's like packaged because I don't want to. But this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open this, but this is like the packaging of the it's like the contouring palettes. So the Subculture palette, $30, and it has 4 shades and features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will lift skin perfection and highly pigmented and buttery. So I will definitely put this as a giveaway. So I won't be using this. So you guys are very special. And also, I have so much makeup. I don't really need that much. And I'm going to add these in the giveaway as well. So you guys will be getting these 3. And there is also going to be some surprise stuff in the box that I kind of created for you guys. So the only things I'm going to keep for the Boxycharm are just these 2. Because I really needed a primer. I just don't need the extra stuff right now. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry if it's like too loud in the background. I just wanted to get this video over with for you guys. So yeah. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to tap that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I upload all the time. And next week is the giveaway, so you guys should better stick around if you guys are wanting to enter that. It's gonna be full of goodies. Try to do something different. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ain't no need to try to explain what you're doing to me. So 2003 attitude casual. That's how it be usually.